$191,000 per month from one t-shirt. This is insane. This t-shirt is making $4.89 per sale, meaning they are bringing in over $46,000 per month in profit. These are mind-blowing numbers for print on demand. Now, this is a seasonal shirt, so it won't always do well. So what does this actually show us? Well, it shows me a few things. American holidays in particular are incredibly popular in the print-on-demand world. A good original design can really pay off. And one t-shirt can literally change your life. And finally, print-on-demand is far from dead. I want to quickly add before moving on that I'm going to be revealing a really cool, unheard of concept for print on demand that can literally skyrocket your sales, so stick around. Now, if we have a look at this listing and break it down, they have a good title, they have good keywords, they have good bullets, and most importantly, their design is fantastic. But like I said, this video isn't specifically about this design. What we learn from this design is what I want to go over in this video. Because this isn't the only successful 4th of July t-shirt. There are tons of t-shirts making over $20,000 every single month. Now, I understand this might only go on for 1 or even 2 months because it's a very trendy product. But if you're making $50,000 in profit per month and that goes on for 2 months, well, $100,000 can change your business and change your life drastically. So it's certainly not something to ignore. Now, like I said earlier, I haven't made this video to convince you to make a 4th of July t-shirt design. At this point, it's too late for that. And quite frankly, the message and the concepts in this video are far more important than just this one 4th of July design. I've made this video to drill into you that print on demand is not dead. Not even close. I have a saying that I love to live by. You are only one design away. Now, you may be asking, away from what? Well, that's just it. Away from financial freedom, away from escaping your 9-to-5 job, away from all the anxiety and the stress that comes with the print-on-demand business and with making money. Literally, you are one design away from changing your life. So, if you are feeling like you've hit rock bottom with your print-on-demand business and it's absolutely impossible to make it, just remember, you are one design away, and anyone, absolutely anyone, has the capabilities of being a 5 or even 6-figure print-on-demand seller. Another really important lesson that we can learn from this 4th of July t-shirt is that these sellers, and not just this one that I'm showing, but all the other 4th of July t-shirts, these sellers have actually tried. They haven't gone and created 1,000 rubbish designs, slap them up and try to get some sales. Their designs are actually good. They're well thought out. They're funny. They're witty. They're clever. Now, did they steal them from someone? I don't know. Did they use ChatGPT or Midjourney or some form of AI to make them? I don't know. But honestly, who cares? As an outsider looking in at these designs, I would happily part with my money to buy one of them. And I'm not even American. What would I be doing with a 4th of July t-shirt? Now, I know what you're thinking. All of these sellers are only successful because of one thing: ads. These sellers must spend a fortune on advertising because that's the only way to get sales. Now, of course, I'm being sarcastic here. There are many other ways to get sales. Ads, of course, help. And ads can speed up the process and also help you scale. But there are ways to actually get sales organically. And there are ways to use ads in a smarter, more efficient way so that your money goes a lot further. So if you want to sell on merch by Amazon, but you don't have access to Amazon ads, there's actually something far more powerful than Amazon ads. Something that Amazon values more than anything. And that is outside traffic. Let me explain this concept a little further. Think about it like this. If you have a person browsing on Amazon don't really care what they buy because that person is already browsing on Amazon. And at the end of the day, whatever that person ends up buying, Amazon will make a bit of money. So when this happens, if that person buys your product, yes, Amazon will give you a little bit of a boost. It will be good for your rank and it will obviously make you money. But at the end of the day, it will make Amazon money. And that's what they care about. But because that customer was already on Amazon, well, Amazon, think of it as they did the hard work. You didn't do anything, right? That customer just fell into your lap. Now, on the flip side, if you direct a customer from, let's say, Google, Facebook, email marketing, Twitter, or anywhere really, to Amazon's website, then that person scrolls through and buys your product, well, Amazon realize that that person was sent by you and that without your input, Amazon wouldn't have got the sale, and they will reward you a lot more with an even bigger boost to your rank. This has been proven time and time again with various tests, and the results have been absolutely mind-blowing. Whilst you may think, why on earth would I spend my money to send traffic to Amazon when I could just spend money and send traffic to my own website? Well, you're not wrong, but Amazon does come with a lot of benefits. People trust Amazon. People want Amazon Prime. And people are much more likely to buy a product and become a customer on Amazon than they are on your website. And that's because Amazon have tried and tested their pages. They know how to create a high converting landing page, and they have spent millions, if not billions, to create the perfect platform for someone to find your product and convert and buy your product. But I want to just quickly add, I'm not saying you shouldn't spend money on ads and send people to your website. You should do this, 100%. This is a great tactic. But as well as that, you should definitely consider doing this and send traffic to your product on Amazon, as this will have such a huge impact. For example, another massive factor that you may not be considering is by sending traffic outside of Amazon to your product on Amazon, thereby increasing your rank on Amazon, well, that will actually lead to more organic sales, because at the end of the day, we have to remember, Amazon get over 2 billion visitors every single month. So if we are ranking higher for certain keywords, we'll actually end up getting more organic sales. So by spending a little bit of money on outside traffic to our Amazon listing, it actually goes a really long way when it comes to increasing your rank and getting more organic sales. This concept isn't discussed much or even at all in the print-on-demand world. In fact, it's pretty much reserved for the Amazon private label world, like FBA. But it's time that we start talking about it, start implementing it for the print-on-demand business model. I want to just quickly summarize. So, firstly, don't forget about the time of year. You can make a lot of money by creating designs specifically for different times of the year, especially American holidays. As well as that, create cool, unique designs that you are actually proud of and that you can share with your friends and family, and they are proud of it and they tell you it's good, rather than just create rubbish and upload it hoping to get sales. And of course, send outside traffic to your listings on Amazon. But remember, above all, you are just one design away from changing your life. I wanted to create this video to touch on a couple of these concepts, and I can guarantee you right now, I'm going to be talking more about this concept in future videos because it's a real game changer and it can help a lot of people who aren't ranking or who aren't getting sales on Amazon to actually start getting sales. And of course, in terms of designing epic t-shirt designs that have the ability to go viral like these t-shirts have, you've got to check this video out next, where I show you exactly how you can do that. So click that and check it out.